Now we're going to make the legs. And you'll be making 4 of these, so once you get into the rhythm, it goes really quickly. Start by E-wrapping all 5 pins, looping the gray yarn clockwise around each one, nice and relaxed. Then knit in the round for 4 rows, lifting the bottom loop over the top loop on each peg as you go. Once your 4 rows are done, cut your yarn leaving a long tail. You'll need this for the sewing, so don't trim it yet. Thread that tail onto your needle, then work your way around the loom, slipping the needle through each live stitch and sliding it off the peg as you go. Take it 1 peg at a time all the way around until every stitch is safely on your needle. Thread that tail onto your needle, then work your way around the loom, slipping the needle through each live stitch and sliding it off the peg as you go. Once they're all threaded on, pull the yarn end gently to cinch the top of the leg closed, then secure it with a small firm knot. Give it a little tug to make sure it holds, then slide the leg off the needle. Your first leg is done and off the loom. Now thread that long yarn tail from the leg onto your needle. This is what you'll use to sew the leg onto the body. Now it's time to attach the legs to the body. Place 2 legs on the bottom front and 2 on the bottom back, spacing them evenly so the cat sits in a natural, balanced position. Once you're happy with how they look, sew each one on securely with your needle, working all the way around the base of each leg so it sits nice and firm. To finish, weave in any remaining yarn ends through the nearby stitches so everything is neatly tucked away out of sight. Then trim the extra yarn close to the fabric. And that's all 4 legs done.